In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play songs in CS2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly play songs and change the music for CSGO. So I'm going to teach you how to be using the music kits. Music kits are a category of items that changes all of the songs and some sound effects when you win around, when you get MVP, and so on. So as you can see, this music kit will replace all the music in the game. It is shareable with anyone you are playing with, and it includes the MVP anthem that plays for everyone in the match when you are the MVP. So if you ever notice that when someone gets the MVP, they have a custom song, this is why. So it is going to change the main menu music, round start and round end, the map objective, 10-second warning for the bomb, and then the death camera. So this one was given to all of the players who owned Counter-Strike Global Offensive, and you will be able to acquire many other different music kits. Sadly, I don't have any in my inventory, but if you wish to use a music kit, all that you have to do is go over to your loadout, and you will be able to drag and drop it here. So you will be able to equip the music kit, and like I said, everyone in the server will be able to hear it. They also have the default one, which is just going to be Counter-Strike 2, but you can go over to the old CSGO soundtrack. You will be able to purchase more music kits, usually through the shop here that they have available, so you can browse this shop every now and then, and usually there will be music kits, so for example this one from the Vercars, and you will be able to equip them. Just browse through any music kits that you see, and all of the songs in CS2 will be changed. You just have to make sure that you equip them on your loadout and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to change the songs that play in CS2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.